Whee! What's happening? I think there's a monster inside Giant Egg. Surprise! Oh no!
Let's start the game! Yay! Are you excited?
Welcome to Mr. Story World. Gecko for me!
Gecko for you! And Cat Boy for me!
How about Mama?
He's here.
And Paulette for Mama! Yay! Oh, you saved the day?
Yeah!
Awesome! This is Paulette and Luna Girl figurines.
Teacher mask matching game.
Boy!
Fun game of picture matching. Awesome. So let's open it. Who wants to play?
Can I play, please?
Oh, Cat Boy and
Can I play?
Gecko.
Can I play?
Hello, Gecko.
Can I play?
Yay! Let's start the game. Yay! Are you excited?
And cat play.
Yay! Okay, Sumitra, you have to pick 2 cards and turn over. Is it a match?
Yeah.
No, they are not. They are different. So you have to put them back. Can you please put them back? Now it's Gecko's turn.
Gecko, which one are you going to pick? Okay, you wanna pick this?
This one.
Okay. Gecko's card is
And I
this.
want this one.
This one? Okay, Gecko. Oh,
not a match.
boo. It's not a match. Let's put it back. Which one do you want, Alet? You want this one? Yay! What's that? Oh, it's your friend Gecko. Okay, let me see, Anya. Which one? Oh, that one. Oh, these two are not matching, so we have to put it back. Olive? Oh, don't cry, it's okay. Now, it's Mitra's turn, the cat boy.
You got a match?
Yay, Mitra got his first match. Awesome. Yay, clap, 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 clap. Yay, clap, clap, clap.
Now you have to take those 2 cards.
And put it into your winning pile.
Now it's your turn again because you won. Now it's your turn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try it. Which one is that? Okay,
And?
oh, you won!
Oh wow! You got a match! Yay! So how many do you have? 1 and 2 pairs? How many does Gecko have? Only 1 pair.
And Owlet has 3 pairs.
Oh, Owlet has 3 pairs. She is leading.
Okay.
How am I gonna win?
You couldn't do
Let's
it.
see. You also may win. Let's check it out.
Yeah!
Oh, you got 4th pair?
Owlet is sad.
Don't
Oh,
worry, you get soon.
thank you. Let's count how many pairs do you have.
Oh, lots of pairs.
Can you please count?
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Mm-hmm.
6.
Okay, Catboy has 6 pairs. How many do you have, Gecko?
Lots of
I have 1, 2, and 3. Only 3 pairs. And how many do you have, Owlet?
I have 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
So, Catboy wins! Yay!
Congratulations, Catboy!
Yay!
Oh, what's that?
It is Carry and Go PJ Masks 3 puzzle pack. 24 pieces each.
Oh, what is that?
Catboy costume.
Oh, it's a Catboy costume. What's that? Paint book? That's a coloring book, I guess.
Can I play, please? Can I play, please? Sure. Only a lad can be great.
Oh, you're kissing your best friends?
Please subscribe. He's gonna fall down.
Uh-oh! Now? What happened? I can see Percy. Uh-oh. Thomas, Bumblebee, James, Percy and Samson. All are in the pumpkin. Now what? Who's gonna rescue? So you have pumpkins and the smoke is coming out. It looks spooky.